Advantage ID is a certified repair center for professional ID card printers. Extend the life of your ID card system when you submit your badge maker machine to our factory-certified service technicians. We provide thorough and speedy service and excellent support to get your printer up and running from repair. Advantage ID repair services include troubleshooting and diagnosis, installation of printer upgrades, replacement of factory printer parts, performance of routine printer maintenance including thorough cleaning and firmware upgrades, repair of card jams and other mechanical errors, calibration of ribbon sensors and solutions for problems with poor print quality. We also serve warranty printers. The repair center is located near the Los Angeles International Airport. Printers can be shipped directly to our repair center. Local customers can drop off repairs with option for will call. Printer diagnosis is usually complete in about 24 to 48 hours. Same-day services are also available. For more information, call 1-800-965-5932 or visit us at advantage.com.